If you have an old Android, follow these steps to optimize it. First thing you want to do is launch open settings on your device. Now scroll all the way down and find software update. Here you want to tap on download and install. Now check for updates. But remember, you need to avoid updating if your phone is too old and may slow down. So make sure that you do not update your phone. Next, you want to head back. Here, you want to find the option of device care, select that. Now find the option of battery, go ahead and select that. Tap on the option of battery information. Now you want to look for battery health warnings over here. Make sure that you do not get any battery health warnings here. Next, head back. Now you want to tap on the option of power saving. Go ahead and toggle this option on. This reduces performance usage and improves battery life. Next, find the option of background usage limits. Here, make sure that you have enabled put unused apps to sleep option. Next, you want to head back. Now find the option of battery protection. Make sure that you have toggled this option on if you haven't done that already. You also want to tap on that option and then here make sure that you have set that to 85% or 90% over here. Next, you want to head back. Now scroll down and tap on About Phone. Here tap on Software Information, then scroll down and find your build number. Tap on this at least 7 times and developer mode will be enabled. Now you want to head back and tap on the developer options over here. Now scroll down and find the option of window animation scale. Tap on that. Here make sure that you set this to 0.5 option. Then find the option of transition animation scale. You want to set that to 0.5x as well. Then find the option of animator duration scale and you want to set that to 0.5x as well. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.